Today's video, I'm doing a spicy Chinese food mukbang. It's not gonna be, there's not gonna be a lot of spice. I'm just gonna put a little spice on. So I have a shrimp egg roll, some vegetable lo mein, I've never tried vegetable lo mein before. Some this is bull wings cut up with fried rice and the bean sprout, and of course I got the sweet tea. So let's get into the video. Oh, I forgot something. It's the weekend, so you know I got a little sangria, just a little buzz. I want to feel a little buzz. So yeah guys, I'm gonna try the lo mein. I never tried vegetable lo mein before, so I'm gonna try it first without the sauce, the hot sauce. Oh, we got broccoli in it. That's good. Oh, got mushrooms too. It's good. I didn't see that. Mushrooms. I feel like I'm far. I'll come up a little bit more. Okay. Oh yeah. Let me get into this. That one some? So what y'all doing this weekend? I like this. That heat. Okay. Alright, give me 2 fortune cookies. I'm opening one and read it, and then at the end of the video I'm opening the other one to see what it says. It says, it says, if we all are worms, try to be a glowworm. And I don't eat the cookie. Tried it before. I don't like those teeth. It's good. See that steam? This is something. Hot sauce and duck sauce. So you know. Do that. You know? So, Chinese food. My favorite back in the day. I say back in the day, like, well yeah, back in the day, a couple of years ago. My favorite Chinese food was General Tso's chicken. I used to love that. But 2 years ago, I had to stop eating it because I bought it at the Chinese store when I was living in Canarsie, and I don't know what that was, but that didn't taste like chicken to me. How big this thing is? For 150.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. It looks light, right? It used to be darker than this. Well, it still tastes good. They got the best iced tea. Fine, still got the best iced tea. But yeah, I was saying, I bought the General Tso chicken. And it didn't taste like chicken. It tastes like... Listen, I ate it. And my stomach started turning, okay? It was not... They didn't give me no chicken. Because that's... All these years I've been eating it, that never happens to me. So... And usually I get the wings and the fried rice. I was like, let me try. I haven't eaten this in years, so I'm like, let me try. And that thing was, honestly, I feel like it was a rat. I feel like it was a rat. Because there's no way. Why it tastes like that? My stomach started churning and stuff. Like turning and stuff like. Let me get into this wing. Yeah. So, actually chopped up. I like it cut up. Instead of breaking it, I like it cut up. The water sauce. Everything. Okay. Tastes so freaking good. Okay, so from now on, when that happened, I stopped eating it. Cause I never ate like chicken and broccoli, beef and broccoli. Never eat that. I ate favorite broccoli. So I was like, you know what? From that happened, I'm just gonna eat something. I'm just gonna eat what I can tell what it is, which is wings, shrimps. I don't want no chicken with broccoli. I don't want no beef with broccoli. I don't want none of that. And next thing you know, I'm eating a rat or something. Not to turn your stomach off, but I'm just saying. This is all I eat from Chinese food now. Chinese food now is wings and fries. I mean, wings and rice and fries. I haven't eaten fries in a while though, but chicken wings, definitely, it's a must. So, alright.
Look how she ate that.
So crispy. Okay, so who got the Chinese food? The Chinese food in Queens. Chinese food in Queens is the bomb. Yes, I think it's better than one in Brooklyn. But really Chinese food is good too, so. But Queens top it. Oh, let me try the egg roll. The shrimp roll. Alright, so one of the wings with the sauce on it. It's a little dark because this, if y'all haven't tried this damn sauce yet, I don't recommend y'all try it, but if y'all want to, go ahead. Because this thing right here is, okay, that's it. I ain't about to get myself today. Because it's spicy. Jesus Christ. That's it. That's it. Woo, that's it. I'm done. I put that shit on them. Not putting it on no. Instead of the that, my whole mouth was on fire. Mm-mm. Oh my god. Where Chinese people know how to make icy from? That's what I want to know. They make this thing so good. Alright, let's try the egg roll. I was praying before. Alright. Excuse me. Y'all know it's mostly cabbage in this thing. It's gonna be a shrimp roll. I'm gonna see how much shrimp is in there. There's the sauce. I'll show you how I do this. Just like that. Then you take a bite. I do the shrimp. And do it again. More duck sauce. They only give me 2 shrimp. All that duck sauce, baby. I'm just fatty right now. But I don't know why. What? Oh my god. See? Look at man. Let me show you. How a lot of vegetables in here. Broccoli. It's good. Alright. I'm gonna see what's that about. I'm getting full already. Open it. Look it up already. So let's see how it tastes. It's got a good smell. You know. Can you read it? Alright, let's see how it tastes. What they got in there? Oh, it's citrus. It's like, I see cherries, oranges, lemon, lime. So right. There's a little buzz I wanted to feel. There's nothing big. I don't drink heavy alcohol, heavy liquor. Cause me, cannot hold my liquor for. Okay, so I stay away from the brown liquor. Stay away from the brown liquor. I'm getting full. Okay. Fill it. Okay. I'm full. So, the end of the video. See what I have left. So I can see. And some lo mein shrimp. Shrimp. Vegetable lo mein. Ooh, excuse me. Alright, so I'm gonna read the other fortune cookies. Let me get out of here. It says, get your mindset. Confidence will lead you on. Okay? This is the end of my Chinese food mukbang. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn your notification bell on so you'll be notified. I'm trying to be more consistent. Like post at least 2 times a week. I'm going to try my best. Sorry, next week I'm going to try. So, see you guys later.